Subscribe to our channel FM Education Academy and turn the bell notifications on to never miss any update on the educational videos of maths, physics and chemistry.
In today's video lecture, we will see a question from the chapter Similar Triangles. This question is taken from Maths Class 10th NCERT CBSE textbook exercise 6.3 question 3 and it is also in TS SCERT textbook exercise 8.2 question 6. So the question is, diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at point O. Using the criterion of similarity for two triangles, show that OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. So for this question, since it is telling me there are diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD, I should draw a trapezium. Trapezium is not given in the figure, we need to draw in this. This is the shape of a trapezium. So let us suppose this A, this is B, this vertex is C and this vertex is D. A, B, C, D are the vertices of a trapezium and the question it is given that AB is parallel to CD and we know two diagonals are there, AC and BD, and these two diagonals are intersecting at a point O. Intersecting means meeting. Now what I have to use the criterion of similarity. Criterion of similarity means we know that there are four similar criterion for similarity of triangles. One is angle criteria of similarity, in which when two angles are equal of two triangles we can say that the triangles are similar. Then other is when all the three angles are equal. Then we have when all the three sides are also equal, we can say the two triangles are similar. Or when two sides and one angle between the two sides is equal, we can say by side angle side, there is SAS similarity criteria, the two triangles are similar. So either we can use angle criteria or criteria or side criteria or side angle side criteria in order to prove that the two triangles are similar. So here also it is telling us to use those four criteria. Any one criteria I should use, and then I should show that this ratio OA by OC is equals to OB by OD. Observe where is OA? Here we can observe that this is OA by OC. OA is the side of this first triangle AOB. For proving criteria of similarity, I need two different triangles. I cannot take sides of the same triangle. I need two different triangles for proving the criteria of similarity. So one triangle I can take is triangle AOB and another triangle I can say is triangle COD. So in this, if you observe, OA by OC is equals to OB by OD. That I have to prove. So if I prove these two triangles are similar, I can say that their corresponding sides are divided in the same ratio according to similarity condition. Okay, so by that we can say that the ratios are equal. That is how we should do the sum. In one more sum of exercise, we saw that here if we observe one side of one triangle divided by one side of other triangle is equals to one side of the same triangle by one side of the other triangle. This is the question. In other question also it was a trapezium, but there the ratio we had to prove was different. It was saying us AO by OB, that is side of first triangle by side of second triangle is equals to side of second triangle by side of second triangle only. That is the two sides were of the same triangle and here also the two sides were of the same triangle. That was the condition. Since the two triangles are similar, the sides we can divide, and it is more easy when compared to the earlier sum, because earlier sum the sides were in the same triangle. The two sides were in the same triangle and other two sides were in the same triangle. So in this answer we can say in triangle AOB and triangle COD, we can say that if this side CD is parallel to side AB, we know AC is acting as a transversal. If AC is acting as a transversal and AB is parallel to CD, according to parallel condition, we are taking this triangle COD. So we can say that angle DCO is equals to angle BAO, that is this angle is equals to this angle, because this angle is of this triangle AOB and this angle is of this triangle COD. So why these two angles are equal? As they are corresponding angles, because two lines are parallel and AC is the transversal. So angle DCO is equals to angle BAO. The reason is corresponding angles are equal. Then again in the same triangle, we can see here that if BD is the transversal and again AB is parallel to CD, this condition is given to us. If AB is parallel to CD and if BD is the transversal, again I'll take this triangle. In this triangle, angle ABD is equals to angle CDB. This angle is equals to this angle. Why? Again they are corresponding angles because these two lines are parallel and BD is the transversal. So angle CDO is equals to angle ABO. Same reason, corresponding angles are equal. And one more angle is equal in both the triangles. We can see here that angle COD and angle COD and angle BOA are vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles are equal, so we can say these both are also equal. There is angle COD is equals to angle BOA. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. So I said here that among these four criteria, you have to choose one criteria. Here we can see that all the three angles are equal. So we will use angle-angle criteria in order to prove that the two triangles are similar. This criteria we are using. See, angle, angle, angle. We got three angles. So by A similarity criteria, triangle AOB is similar. This is the sign for similar. Is triangle AOB similar to triangle COD? Okay, and when the triangles are similar, we know that the sides are in the same ratio. That is, the triangles are similar. If triangles are similar, taking the sides. Which side I want? I want AOA in this triangle. So OA I can take. OA by, I need OC in this triangle. So I can say OA by OC. Why OA by OC? Because side of first triangle by side of second, first side of first triangle by first side of second triangle is equal to second side of first triangle by second side of second triangle. That is OB by OD. How do we know that these both are equal? Because we know that whenever triangles are similar, their sides are divided in the same ratio. Remember, it is true for all. Whenever two triangles are similar, this side by this side is equals to this side by this side is equals to third side by third side also. This is according to similarity condition. That is, the sides will be divided in the same ratio. This is called as ratio. That is why side of first triangle by side of second triangle is equals to side of first triangle by side of second triangle. So what is the reason? As they are corresponding sides. Corresponding means if we are taking first side in this triangle, we have to take first side in this triangle also. So those are called as corresponding sides. So whenever triangles are similar, the corresponding sides are divided in the same ratio. That is why they are equal. As corresponding sides are equal. So this was the answer. We have proved this, hence proved. So thank you for watching.